Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Volcano. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Volcano. Happy birthday to you. I really cannot sing, but I tried. Yeah, Volcano, I just want to say happy birthday to you, my broski. Yeah, because you know, we're all YouTube family over here. Yeah. I had asked a few persons to make some little clips to wish you happy birthday. I only got two. You know, our lives don't revolve around YouTube. They have personal issues, they have family time, work time, all of that. So some of them indicated to me that they didn't get the chance to do the video, but I'm still making my clip, and I'm gonna show you the other two persons that volunteered, which I really appreciate. I just want to say we appreciate you. You've been a very supportive person, and I hope you live to see many, many more birthdays. I hope you live to see many, many more birthdays, and I hope you have a blast today. Yes, I know you really, really wanted me to come visit you today, but unfortunately, I'm going to be very busy, and my daughter Talika is not feeling 100% well. She has a little cold, and she's miserably in between. Yeah. So, happy birthday again, darling. As I said, I can't really sing, but I tried. Happy birthday. I hope you enjoy and appreciate this little video. Happy birthday. Love you.
One more year upon them again, my brother Volcano. You know the thing already though. One aim, one game. Go and keep strong. For your earth strong, my bro. Kawa. A blessings and more life. Cause guess what? Early morning, say your money we are free. We roll out, we are go get a degree. Girl out the street, you know them one we say link up the general link up. Early morning, say your money we a free. Roll out, we a go get a degree. Girl out the street, you know them want me say link up the general, link up the money we a free. You know the things that we a go make it in a life. You want stick a bet? My real friend, them me nah go forget work hard every day. All me sure get wet, me nah worry. Jah know me nah fret. Volcano did tell me a life over the to a nice little hotel and a private jet. A money me a free. You know the things at early morning. I'm out. Blessings, bro. Oh.
Yo, I'm mixing with you again, you know. Bless up. Yo, this one is for official Volcano TV, the real general. Yo, want big you up on your earth strong in a youth. Guess what? A lot of people don't see your heart, but them know based on meeting you that you have a big one. I want to express a sincere appreciation for everything that you have done. You have shown love to everybody, and this is our way to give back to you and let you know that we care about the Volcano. And yo, we want to see you do big things, you understand? So yo, big up yourself all the time. True. That's your favorite thing, true. Yes, I go and support as we support you, boss. Bless up my earth strong, and hope you live to see many, many, many more, my general. Yeah, man, from mixing with the Muffats. Yes, sir.